काली नागिन से रानी मुखर्जी। वर्ड्स मूवी हीरो ले गई। दुपट्टा चुनरी
यारी दोस्ती यार
लहरा के बलका के
टाइम्स अप।
दोस्ती
इट्स चोरी पे चोरी। साथिया
मूवी।
दबंग। नहीं फोटो लगा चिपका के ले सही फेविकॉल से दबंग 2।
actress 2 words.
First word.
Dance. Second one. Second one. Dance. ABCD.
Hema Malini. Sholay. Dream Girl.
Tagline.
Sholay. Name of the song.
Sholay is a movie.
Sholay. Hema Malini.
5 seconds.
From beat starts.
Time up.
Shit.
From beat starts. What is the movie?
अरे
Dance Vasanti.
They got it?
So at the end of 4 rounds, the third place is a tie for the third place, the third years and the final years. At 30 points. Third place. The second place at 35, staff team, Sarita and all. At 35. Now, first place goes to staff, Deepak. At 40.
No, ma'am, it was 40.
Hello. Boss. Thank you, judges, for managing the event so well. Thank you, participants. Now we'll go ahead. Go see your team. Which is your team? For and against. Amrita, you are against. She is for. It's a message for Naufal Nafu. It says Naufal Nafu rocks. Next is for an intern called Priyangana. It says Priyangana Di, you are so pretty. Somebody says Shamaila, love you. Then somebody from final year has returned, waiting for my internship to propose, Dr. Adil.
Interns, love you all. That was for Perio staff. And another one, Achut sir and Sarita ma'am, like you so much and admire you both so much. And yes, that's very true. We saw the energy Sarita ma'am was having while the Damsharats was going on, and also Akash, first year, full of energy while acting it out. Anyway, Nikki ma'am, being cultural is going on, don't you think the girls out here and the boys, of course, adapting the westernized style and the westernized culture. What do you think about that?
I don't see anything wrong with it. I mean, I think it's more of a personal opinion. I mean, it's how everybody, dresses, behaves. It's their own personal choice. I don't think anybody has a right to comment on that.
Okay, but I personally feel you should be more elegant, and the saris and the salwars and all that, more than the short skirts and all that. Do you think so that it's much better?
Well, we're wearing saris now, right?
Yeah.
But I think if we have to wear a short skirt also, I'm sure we can carry that out with grace. So, I mean, it's a never-ending argument. It's a never-ending argument, really. But no great advance has ever been made in science, politics, or religion without controversy.
So this explains the next event lineup this morning, and that is the debate. So before the arguments begin, let me call upon the respected judges. Dr. Hemavati ma'am, HOD Oral Pathology Department, Dr. Akshay sir, Dr. Abhinav sir, and now we look forward to having a very interesting and pulse-raising arguments by the team.
Let the arguments begin.
With the poem writing and soap carving, and I was personally very amazed at how talented the students as well as all the participants were. On the 20th, we had the second day, and that was Rangoli, pencil sketch and painting competition. On the 23rd, we had the salad arrangement and quiz. And on the 24th, that's the fourth day, we had the flower arrangement and crafts from scrap. On the 25th, we had collage and essay competition, and unfortunately and very sadly, the treasure hunt got cancelled. I guess the treasure is still lying out there for the next year's hunt. And then the PGs were, the interns were leading with a point of 170. The staff was backing them up with 130 points. Then the first years were up with 120 and the fourth years 100 points. And the second, third and the PGs were sharing marks of 70 each. And I should mention a special appreciation towards the PGs, having been such a hectic schedule, they still managed to get that 70 points. Yes, and then today morning we had the Antakshari, and with that, first years were up with 150 points. The final years were behind them with 110 points. And then our PGs with 90 points. This is final years are 110 and PGs are 90. This is only the Antakshari, and I'm yet to add up the scores of the essay competition and the Dhamsharats competition which just happened right now. So we'll be updating you about that very soon. I call upon the contestants for the debate competition right now.
And you have a sweet smile too. And the next one is for Dr. Smita ma'am. Yes, Smita ma'am, you are one among those teachers who don't shout at us. Thank you, ma'am. You are very helpful, polite and approachable. Very particular about correcting all the mistakes. We all love you, ma'am. Thank you. Second years.
There are 4 rounds. Can I have this?
एक्स्ट्रा क्लास में यहाँ निकाल जाता है उसका लुकिंग नहीं हो बोला कल यहाँ से है 5 पिलर हैं 5 पटा वहाँ से 5 पटा अलग रहा
The topic for the debate is impact of social networking and social network sites on society. There are 2 teams to be talking, one for and one against. The names of the 4 people are Dr. Santosh, Dr. Lakshmi, Dr. Ankita, Nupur, Harshita and Deepa. People to talk against, Dr. Sridevi, Dr. Amrita, Dr. Kirti, Deepti, Pallavi and Srividya. the rules to be followed by the speakers. The language used should be very, very normal and respectable. Arguments are not entertained. And topic will be, oh sorry. There are 4 rounds altogether. The first round is going to be the speech about the proposition, and the opposition team will be talking, which will be 4 minutes. And before that, I would like to say only 2 members in each team are to be talking. You all have to decide and give us the names. Who are the 2 to talk? For and against. And second round will be rebut. Rebut round where you are going to talk against each other. And the third round will be the questions raised to each member, and only the member should answer without conferring with others. And the fourth round is a direct questions. And the closing statement by the 2 teams should be made finally. Final round, that is. 4 minutes each. 2 can talk. Opening round, 22 speakers to be spoken, and it's going to be 4 minutes. 2 each team. That's what yesterday we decided. Out of the 6, 2 will be speaking. You all got it? Yes. The first round is a constructive round. Listen to me, please. Participants, please listen. The first round is going to be constructive round. Whether you're talking for or against, depending on the team what you are belonging to. 4 minutes is given, and only 2 speakers can speak. Others can give the ideas, only 2 speakers are going to speak for it. Okay. Santosh and Pragati. Against team, can I have the name?
Yes, ma'am. Dr. Deepti.
Dr. Deepti? Sorry.
I am
Dr. Sridevi and Deepti for the against team. Okay, we'll start with the first round by the opposition team.
Conclusion can be done by another person.
Conclusion, yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. Never before had the freedom of a citizen in a democratic country like India been thrown into the hands of perils who question the very integrity of our constitution by raising certain points about a good scientific fallout, that is our social networking sites. Successfully, the Supreme Court of India has come down and struck down the draconian section 66A, telling that these social networking sites cannot be arm twisted to catch hold of people who make negative remarks on the social networking sites. My dear friends, the society of India is deep-rooted. The Manusmriti, which is written over 5,000 years back, has made us deep-rooted and has made us connect with the societal norms of India. So such trivial issues of having defamations on social networking sites can never uproot or fragment the very societal fabric of India. What our worthy opponents fail to realize while commenting bad about these social networking sites are that these social networking sites do have a greater impact on the population at large. Everything resists change except for babies changing diapers. Okay, so everything resists a change, and this change is for better. So these social networking sites are a good platform to bring upon change in our country, and this is what even Barack Obama had propagated. Social networking sites even promote good governance. That's what is the present government doing, reaching out to a larger section of the population. At the same time, even these networking sites help the police department to nab criminals. There are so many cases which have been solved by tracing the Facebook accounts. At the same time, even even the social networking sites give an evidence-based learning for us. So students can access many blogs on these Facebook and Twitter accounts and learn so many things, and that's what is even propagated by the media in form of Idea Internet Network, IIN. So of course IIN can help us learn everything except for driving and other things, right? So at the same time, the social networking sites also improve interpersonal relation. In today's world in India, where we have nuclear families, husbands staying in north and wives staying in south, how do they communicate with each other? It is through these Twitter and Facebook accounts with which they can be in connection with each other and avoid falling into some booby traps of divorce, etc. At the same time, there are many scientific studies which have proven that children who are exposed to these social networking sites fare better in their examinations. So there are so many plus points of these social networking sites. Definitely the impact of these networking sites on our society is definitely having a good impact rather than having a negative impact.
Basically, like when we talk about empowerment and employment, which is needed in our country. So employment, job opportunities, opening areas for people to go and take up jobs is done by these social networking sites. Empowerment. A woman who's a housewife and she's sitting, her husband dominates over her. She can simply publicize like her talents through these social networking sites. Also, coming to old people. Okay, these old people, they feel connected with the society. Communication, connection, it's basically information over deformation. All we can say is it's on us how we use these sites. It's technology used by us in a good way. Simple.
Of a granny who will see his grandfather, son or granddaughter studying somewhere else and seeing the photographs on social networking sites. So how they are like a boon for the grandparents, they're binding the family. Plus all the technological things, all our parents, they can learn how happy they will feel. So these are, except for learning, except for family functions, in every way social networking sites are helping us. We can learn, we can enjoy, we can see our friends all get together, we can see our distant relatives growing, how they are growing, even we are away from us. So they are quite helpful, like a boon for us.
It's like during situations when we really...
Now the opposition party team will start.
Good afternoon, ma'am, moderator, judges, my co-debaters and audience. So we will be speaking against the topic of social networking sites. I would like to state that there is no productivity, or there is less productivity when we all sit and work on the net, when we are all supposed to be working. Instead of working, if we're sitting and communicating with each other on Facebook or on WhatsApp, obviously we will not be doing work. So we cannot do that in the dental setup, and we can also see that in the software firm. Most youngsters come up with all kinds of health issues like eye problems and back problems and BP and obesity, all because they are the ones who have the net open all the time, and on one corner of their screen they have a Facebook open, so they don't get up from there. They're always there, and that of course leads to obesity and other kinds of health issues. And I would also like to say that there is a blind issue, blind belief which is spread by these networking sites. Sometimes we get false messages saying that some virus is broken out and everybody stay indoors, or even terrorists using the networking sites, getting a lot of people together in one place and using it for the wrong information. So only with these kind of sites is it very easy to get such people together in large gatherings and bring down society in this particular manner. Standing in the campus of our prestigious college, I would address the negative effects in terms of education. The most common effect is seen, as my friends and we all often have, is that we share the projects, homeworks amongst each other. We don't actually bother to understand what the actual content is. We just pass on and we are like the homework has been done. Another deteriorating effect that all the doctors often face is that the patient do not have a control over what is authentic and what isn't. They actually gather knowledge and believe that the prescriptions supplied online is correct. They actually question back the doctor themselves. They're questioning a doctor, but it's actually you're turning out to be a quack and nothing else. And in terms of religion, let me address that there is often our older generation often taught us that we go and distribute the wedding cards. We greet the elders. We have the personal contact with them. Now we don't have. We have an email sent to them and it's done. Where is the personal connection? Where is it going actually? And also, the children, if you actually bring them out of their rooms and ask them to play outside or actually steal their cell phone off them, and they'll be screaming that you are actually going against me. And anything that is there on the Facebook or on the Twitter is not authentic. It's all fake. You're not actually developing anything good from it. Yes, anything can exist, can be a poison, and negativity can spread the fastest, it's often seen.
Hello everyone. Here I would like to express the fact that people are projecting a fake profile in matrimonial sites or in Facebook or in Twitter, everywhere. They just give a profile picture of some actors or actresses, but where they actually do not look like that. And people like this believe that they are like that, and in matrimonial sites and all, they just get committed their whole life to a person who is actually not like that. After they later realize that the person is not actually that. And cyberbullying, it's actually seen in the students of school life and all, where people, they say that you look like this, you look like that, and they create environment in the school that the child actually doesn't seem to be like that, and people, they feel totally degraded that I do not look like this, and they get disappointed. It actually reduces their self-respect. And how much more time? I would like to speak about the family values. We go to our grandpa's house, grandfather's house, and we just simply sit chatting. And we don't actually ask them like, how are you feeling, how's your health? And the actual care and affection we can only express only through words, and not just by messaging or chatting or online, camera, by online chatting or anything. We can actually express our love, our affection, and we also reduce our communication skills. We just simply sit and chat in the houses and all, but actually when we go outside, our social networking gets reduced, the communication skills and all, it's not so good. It gets totally degraded. And addicting, we just totally get addicted to, it's actually natural. We get too easily addicted to the bad values than to the good. It's like when a person is withdrawn through iPads or anything, they actually...
The next round is a rebut round, and 4 minutes for each team. So you have to comment on what they have spoken. Maximum 3 speakers. You'll have to rebut on only the...
Yeah, please, sir.
So the first point which was made was about the health issues. So if the social networking sites are too, well, that solely cannot be attributed to the opening of a Facebook account. That is also related to the amount of stress which the software professionals undergo. Monday to Friday, they are workhorses working 16 hours, 18 hours a day. So that takes a greater toll on them than blaming everything on these social networking sites. So it will be very unjustified to tell that these social networking sites do create a lot of health issues.
And then in matrimonial sites it will be very difficult. But the major advantage of seeing the picture previously, before going for a matrimony purpose, is that imagine how emotionally hurting it is if you meet somebody, two families meets and then they reject each other. But if we can see the picture of somebody on a social network site and plus we can get the information what that person is doing, then we can have an ample amount of time to think that whether we want to proceed for the second step or not, whether we want to meet the person or not. So in that way, this social networking site is emotionally helping us, plus saving our time, giving us more time to think for such a big decision of our life.
The next point was time management. Like they told, it was waste of time. The time management is done by people. You have to decide what to do, and you have to save your own time. It is not like you have to use the technology. It should open our minds and not. It should not overwhelm us. If you're overwhelmed, you go and fall into another wrong place. And then about sharing of the things. If your grandma lives in America and you are in India, you can't go and give invitation by walking or some vehicle or something. This is an easy way to making them know that you're going to marry or something like that.
They mentioned about social disunity, rather it's social unity. During the time of national crisis like terrorist attack, during the 16th December rape case, the whole nation came together and we dealt with this, standing together with the topic. It's not at all social disunity, rather it's unity where a Muslim, Christian, Hindu comes together, build bonds and they fight against a particular thing.
Okay, another point which was raised was about students sharing the homeworks and assignment. Well, according to me, I feel that there are a lot of books which are not available in the local markets, which can if a person is going for to write any international exams, he cannot go abroad and buy it. So these kind of social networking sites help in telling that where the books are available and all the e-books are where the e-books can be there, and the bibliophiles, like people who love reading, can read on the go the books which are available online. It's not just about assignment sharing and all that, it's about sharing knowledge.
Losing personal contact, if everybody was on social networking sites, malls would have been very empty. And one of my worthy opponents said that wedding cards, like I got married last year and my parents and I took a lot of efforts to go to every house and give wedding cards. So that doesn't hold good here, that mere having social networking sites will lose the interpersonal contact. That still exists, and that's why we are all here, sitting here.
The next team.
Hello everybody, I'm from the Against team. So he cited about Manusmriti. I'm so sorry, I don't know when Manusmriti has told about Facebooking, helping and all. Because Manusmriti, the essence of mankind is being together, speaking together, face to face. It's not like this. Second thing which was voiced was like, you can nab criminals. But many criminals are born from this site only. Fake profiles, this and that, more number of rape cases, suicide attempts, everything. Where does it come from? It comes from all these criminals, come from these networking sites only. And we are talking about networking sites. You are drifting away from the point. We are not talking about internet.
internet. We are talking about networking sites. How can they be helpful? And that is not helping in the education. FB is not giving you journals. And next thing is about the IIN. The main thing about education is Gurukul. Remember what we had, Gurukul, a teacher and a student, Shishya. So that personal thing was there between them. Now it is not there. I cannot see who is teaching me. So what personal feeling I'll have? And what knowledge can you gain from that? So that's one point. And another thing, IIN is completely from the net. And how can you learn your doctoring from there? How can you perform surgery? Oh my God, my network stopped. Now what I'll do? What I'll do with my patient? So that cannot be done. And yeah, about the interpersonal relation, it used to be done, no? We used to send postcards to our grandparents, remember? We used to write such beautiful long letters. So it used to happen. It's not like suddenly Facebook come and we are like, oh my God, I can see my grandfather. Yeah, we want changes, but we don't want bad changes. Time management was told. See, the problem with mankind is like we can never limit ourselves. Okay, we think, okay, 5 minutes more and I'm gonna close my FB account and I'm gonna start studying. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, oh my God, it's already the next morning. So that's what, we can never limit our time, and especially in things like networking, where it's a very good world. And it's a virtual world. And this about the matrimonial thing, I'm very sorry to say, you'll put your profiles, you'll be expecting Katrina Kaif and Salman Khans to come, and you get disappointed. And it's not only about the, see, you can create a very good profile and all, you can do fake profiles and all in the matrimonially, but it depends upon what the person is. So, and networking is giving you wrong, it is leading you to the wrong thing. Yeah, thank you.
Anybody wants to speak?
You were talking about like all the criminal cases and everything happen only because of the social networking sites. But we have privacy options, I guess. Like you can hide your profiles, you can block people, you can unfriend people. Like you yourself are only responsible for all the things, not the social networking sites, I guess.
Okay, so the social networking sites, how far is the privacy setting possible? And you can clearly see that people who want to get some groups of people together, it works to their advantage actually. And there are a lot of hackers also, people who are always on these kind of sites. Obviously they are addicted to it and they know how to work around it, so they can get there.
Ma'am, it's 21st century, and if a hacker knows to hack, the technological engineer, the person who's a software engineer.
So attributing the social networking sites to this is very unjustified. So the context of Manusmriti was in this context, that we are very deep-rooted. So these bachas can't do anything to us. And as far as getting against or having defamation accounts is concerned, well, it's on the individual perception. It's like giving something.
Actually, I do agree. But the thing is, our topic here is impact on social networking sites on the society. So my point is, the essence of mankind which was there, the deep-rooted values which we had, because so the networking sites are being used to such a bad extent, such a great extent that we are reaching there. We are moving from our own essence of the deep-rooted value. And these kids, because of these FB and whatever it is, they are spreading so many things and they are getting more and more westernized, and we are moving from our own family values and whatever it is. And my point is, the impact is being increased. Our topic is impact of social networking sites, and I agree this diverse rates were there before, but now it is getting increased. Why? Because of these networking sites effect.
You told that you. Now what I can do if I am studying abroad and I can't write a postcard to my grandmother and she will be waiting 15 days for my postcard. I am missing my grandmother. I can access her on Facebook. Is it on? I would like to ask my worthy opponents that question. I'll ask my worthy opponents that don't you think social networking sites are one bank of information where you can refer, where you can share, where you can put your ideas, and because of that only, like students in school, we refer sites and then write. We know Albert Einstein. So, don't you think it's a question?
Thank you for the question. Thank you for the question. I'd like to say that when a student gets a homework topic, the reason for getting homework to the student is that the person goes back and reads a book and knows what is there in the book, gets the essence of it. If it is a social networking site, I have seen a lot of children who call their friends or WhatsApp the answers to them. And then where do you get? You get absolutely no education. You say that social is good for education. How can it help you? You're just copying from somebody else.
I would like to ask you, how many people go to how many libraries and how many libraries have how many books to refer?
Exactly. Thank you again. You're adding to my point. The point is that you need to go to a library or a digital library to get answers. It is not from Twitter or Facebook that you get the answers.
Now one situation. Tomorrow I have my exam. I return back home at 7. Will I go to find a library when I'm living in a village?
Right. Not from Facebook. And when you have an exam tomorrow,
not about Facebook. We're not talking
social
about
networking. Twitter, Facebook,
e-books,
WhatsApp.
e-blogs.
E-blog is not social networking. We are talking
It's
about
sharing, it's communicating, it's connecting.
And you said about matrimony.
I have to answer. I would like to answer the question. Yes, if you have an exam tomorrow, when you go back and you refer to Facebook, WhatsApp or Twitter, you are not going to get the answers. You should have started preparing. May I finish, please? You should have finished well before. You cannot go a night before at 7 o'clock and expect to go through a Facebook networking site to get the answers.
Finer preparations are always welcome for finer answers.
From Facebook networking sites?
E-books are uploaded on Facebooks, and what a guide is,
internet.
Let me be very frank, what a guide is to a postgraduate equivalently is Facebook or Google to a postgraduate. If Facebook was not there,
Google is not networking site. Google is not a networking site. And another thing, if I would like to further add to that, anybody can give information on Wikipedia that does not make it genuine. So there again, you're going somewhere else with your answers.
There is a new blog that is CIDE, that is Corruption in Dental Education, which is picking up a lot of speed. It emphasizes a lot of wrongdoings in our dental education curriculum. So don't you think that this is a platform in the Facebook wherein we are congregating so many dentists together and doing something better for our profession?
Okay, you talked about people getting together and doing these kind of things. It can also be for wrong purposes. We are trying to emphasize that there is more harm than good, especially because we do not all have mature minds to know when to stop. So we always go away. I'm answering your question, although
there is something called as self-restraint.
So how do you train your dog in IAN? How do you train your dog in IAN?
Though I may not train a dog, but I will definitely have information how to train a dog.
So can you train? So can you train?
Yes, that is you have a plethora of
So are you really like thinking that the real essence of Guru and Shishya, that is the deep-rooted concept of our country, Guru and Shishya, is taken over by IIM?
See, I'll be very frank. When you're speaking about against, you are very much overemphasizing the negative impact of the social networking sites. What exists will always exist. A Guru Shishya Parampara can never be defamed.
Then how can you say that before exams?
Our point of argument is that when you have a good thing present in our society, when you have a good scientific fallout, the social networking site is a scientific fallout. Why not use it for the better and always be very cynical about it and keep telling that yes, this will cause defamation, some madmen will come together and do. This is for the good, and it will always happen for the good.
Thanks for adding to our point only. It added to our point.
One more question. You said that matrimony sites we expect Katrina Kaif, but when family gatherings are there for arranged marriages, even we expect Katrina Kaif to be my wife or Salman Khan to be my husband. So that is the same thing. Ma'am, see, for social networking sites, we said that we expect Katrina Kaif or Salman Khan to be our husband or wives, but the same thing, but that's a fake profile, but the same thing when there are arranged marriages happening, even we expect Katrina Kaif to be standing in front of me or Salman Khan, but then that's the same, that's forceful marriage.
In one sentence, having Katrina Kaif or Salman Khan is a perception, right? It's my wish. I need